Good morning, boys and girls. It's your old man, Mark Bryce. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and discuss something that this car does not come with. This vehicle is a 2020. I'm surprised this car does not have it, but I guess it's just something that you're going to have to purchase and add on, so to speak, onto this vehicle. Now, I noticed that this car does not have a wireless charger pad for your phone or for any device. It'd be nice to have it right here. It'd be perfect instead of having your phone placed here with the wire showing for you to charge it, or even placing it here with the wire showing for you to charge it. I've done it before, but what I don't like is having the wire stick out while it's charging and then, just take it and put it back. What I'm going to show you guys, what I purchased, is this beautiful piece here. It's not that expensive. It's unbranded, but I'm going to put this here. I'm going to trim it if it's too long, but the objective is to place it here with the wires hiding in the back, so all you see is the charging pad. Now, one thing I do have to note, that if you are going to have your phone here, and if it connects, which I'm going to find out now, if it does connect with Uconnect while you're driving, that's perfect. It's wireless. However, if you're driving and let's say you connect your Waze on your phone, and that's now connected to the car, and if you're driving using Waze on your phone and you decide to take it out of the pad, it might disconnect. I'm just saying that. I'm going to go over it while I install it and while I use it, and then add it all into this video to see how this works. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, it's a rubber material. I can see the one. Let's just put that over there. This came in this morning. I went to my mailbox. It is about 8:50 in the morning. Dropped off the kids to the school bus and checked the mailbox, and this was there. So this is literally open as I go. Here's the bag that it came in. I kind of hid it so you don't see my address. This is okay. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah. Now here's the thing. Well, I'm using my phone to make this video, so I'm gonna have to use another camera to see if it charges and works, but right now I just want to see if it fits. And you know what, boys and girls? It fits. Awesome. I don't even have to trim anything. Now, let's see if the door closes while this is on. But first things first, let's connect this. I'm putting it on the port 2 just because, or maybe I could put it in port 1. Sorry there. Okay, let's see. Port 1. Why am I having a hard time putting it? There you go. It's connected. Now, let's see if I can hide all these wires. Okay, I still haven't removed the black. Let me just remove it. Oh, it's clear. Okay, so here's the problem, is these wires. Make sure, there we go, it is connected now. Hide the wire on top. There's like a hidden room compartment right there. That is what I plan on doing. You know what? Let me put the car on drive so I can put my shift stick all the way in the back because it's bothering me. Okay. So mind you, this right here needs to be in the back. Cool. Looks nice. Again, it's inexpensive. I think it was under $20. I just want to hide the wires first. I mean, I'll do a better job later, but right now I'm just doing this with one hand. There we go. That looks nice. Now again, when the wires are well hidden. Right now I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Look, perfect. Now I'm gonna close it, see if it closes. Oh, that's awesome. So this is the tray. Now there's many ways to hide the wire. You can hide the back wire from the pad around here and then just leave it out over there, or you can hide the wire around here wrapped around this. Now there's many ways to do it. I may get into that, but again, I just put this on and it didn't take more than 30 seconds. But now I'm just discussing what your options are with the wire. But when I have it placed the way it is now, when I'm driving, it doesn't bother me. I can't see it. See? This is nice. I like it. Yeah. Best part is that the door closes. Doesn't stick out. You don't have to do any modifications. You have to do no trimming. Using my iPad camera to record this. This is my personal phone. I'm gonna place it here. The engine is running. And it is charging. Okay. And what I like about it is that it's not even fully touching it and it's charging. Awesome. It's a bad quality. But look, as you can see, it's being charged. Okay, now I'm going to see if putting a phone case, this phone case does charge, but I just want to see if it fits in that compartment. Okay, I just want to make sure everything is good. This. Okay. Will it charge? And it is charging. Nice. Well, there you go. Now will it close? Oh, I see why. Nope. Oh wait. Is it because of that? Okay. It won't close because of the case cover. So I'm gonna take it out and just put my phone in there and then close it. Okay, it's charging. Now, will it close? It does close. All right, everyone. Well, there you go. It won't close if you're using a phone cover. So if you put a phone cover on, this door won't close. Okay, now another thing. Now that it's connected, charging, is it connected to a USB? No, so it doesn't automatically connect to CarPlay. See, I'm not sure if it's all the same, but in my car, in this vehicle, if I plug hardwire USB my phone to any of these two ports, it automatically connects to CarPlay. I assume by connecting this into one of these slots, this phone would automatically connect to CarPlay, but it does not. It charges, but does not connect. So that's another thing you're gonna have to keep in mind when purchasing one of these wireless charger pads. But do I like it? Love it. My phone can now charge where I want it to charge. I just want to see something. But it is connected to Bluetooth. So that's a good thing. Yep, it's connected to my, this music right here is from my phone. Okay, good. So it does connect my phone to music. The only drawback about this is that if you use your phone for, let's say, Waze, you're going to have to hardwire your phone towards one of those two USB slots. That's the drawback. But aside from that, I'm very happy that I can charge my phone now. It does suck that I cannot have a phone cover on it, but it charges. All right, everyone.